The 2002 C-Class. Standing the test of time means never standing still. The competitive C-Class has a smooth and strong 3.0-liter V6 that gets a decent 21 miles per gallon overall and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, airbags, automatic transmission, cruise control, power windows, trip computer, fog lamps, passenger airbag, remote power door locks, speed proportional power steering, leather seats, tachometer, heads-up display, power heated outside mirrors, remote window operation. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.